Hello, my friends. Welcome to my channel, Shine and Inspire. Once again, I wish you a wonderful year ahead. Since the year has just started, what is your New Year resolution? What is the decision that you are making for yourself this year? For this year, the change that you want to see in yourself at the end of the year, to do something or stop doing something. So today let's look at the 5 ways which are going to bring us closer to achieving our goal at the end of the year. Let's look at the 5 ways. One, move out of your comfort zone. We have a specific way to do things. We are majorly in an automated mode every day. We do things the same way, we do the same things every day. So are you going to ensure that you move out of your comfort zone this year? You do things differently, or you do different things this year. 2, do that one thing to come closer to your goal. What is your goal? If your goal is to do a specific course or learn a specific skill, then enroll for that course today. Do something to ensure that you are able to reach that goal. So action is very, very important to achieve your goal. You have to take some action if you are deciding a goal. Or maybe if it is your goal is to live a peaceful life, then maybe start meditating, start taking those small steps to ensure that you reach your goal at the end of the year, right? So action is very, very important, right? Number 3, celebrate the small wins. If you have achieved something, so please celebrate the small wins, the small goals. If you have achieved something, you wanted to do a certain course, you have at least started it, celebrated that yes, I have started this particular thing. So celebrate what you have been doing, or something which you have started. Maybe you have started with a new yoga class or a meditation class. So just celebrate that at least you are the one who's taking that initiative to at least start with something. So it's important to celebrate your now and be in the now and enjoy your now, because tomorrow if you have what you want now, then also maybe you will not be happy if you are not happy with what you have at this point of time. So it's very, very important to celebrate the small wins. Number 4, discipline. Discipline is the key to success. Be consistent. If you have started something, be consistent in doing that on a regular basis. If you have started some exercise, do that on a regular basis. If you have started writing, be consistent. Have a frequency of writing what you want to write. So be very, very consistent in starting and doing it on a regular basis, and be disciplined, right? If your goal want you to wake up at a certain time, then do that, or whatever it is for you to reach your goal. So please ensure that you maintain the discipline to reach where you want to be. Number 5, acts of service. My friends, when we do something for someone, who's the first one to get that love which we are wanting to give to the other person? You are the first person who get what you send out, right? So indulge in some small acts of service. It could be maybe cooking for somebody special, or maybe giving something as a donation to the underprivileged, or anything that you feel like doing as an act of service. If you have a guru, then maybe doing something for your guru, right? Giving your time to your guru, maybe. So whatever it is for you, which you enjoy as service, so do that. Indulge in some act of service, right? That really uplift us to do more and more for others, right? That's it, my friends. So I hope you will be taking these small steps to reach your goal, or live your life in a different way if you want to. But yes, of course, you have a choice. You have a choice if you want to continue living your life the way you have been living, or you want to live your life in a different way, or if you want to see a different version of you at the end of the year. Of course, you have a choice, my friends. That's it. Thank you so much, my friends, for your time. and wish you a year full of opportunities, health, wealth, prosperity, and abundance this year. Happy New Year. Have a lovely day, my friends, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who's wanting to bring positive changes in their inner and outer life. Thank you so much.